Hello, today I will show you the TPT Pick and Place Kit. This kit can be used for the whole range of wire bonders and usually consists out of 4 different process steps. Step number 1 is epoxy placing. Step number 2 is the pick and place of dies. Number 3 is curing of epoxy. And number 4 is wire bonding. I show you the first step, epoxy stamping. Therefore, we install the epoxy tool. Choose a pick and place program. Then on our epoxy pot we place some epoxy. Only a small quantity. We turn the table and we have a nice layer of epoxy. Now we can start. We pick up some glue. Now with the help of our laser, we target and we place the glue. Again, we pick up some glue, target, place glue. Now we change to the second step, installation of the pick and place tool. Now install the tool. Connect the vacuum tube. Install my dies from the die carrier. I perform a height setup. After installation of the pickup tool and the die carrier, we are ready to go. I pick up a die, move over. Again, I target with the laser and I position. I correct a little bit and I place the die. Pickup of die, move over, positioning, placing of second die. Now we come to the third step. We cure the epoxy by setting the temperature to 150 degrees and waiting for 20 minutes. So the fourth step will be ball bonding from top to bottom. I target